आई यूज टू हेट बनाना, बट इसे खाने के बाद आई स्टार्टेड लविंग इट। घर में बनाना पड़ा हुआ था तो मुझे लगा क्यों ना इसका कुछ मजेदार सा बनाया जाए। सो आई मेड दिस यमी कैरमल banana pudding. I have taken half liter of milk, let the milk boil and keep it aside. Keep the milk aside and take a pan and add 6 to 7 tablespoons of sugar. Keep it in a low flame and keep on stirring until it slightly changes into a golden color. Now you can see in the video the sugar has slightly started changing its color. Be careful at this point, do not burn the sugar. Now you can see the beautiful golden color. Add the boiled milk to it. Add slowly, do not add everything together and be careful at this point. Never keep it in a high flame, always keep it in low flame. After adding all the boiled milk, add a teaspoon of vanilla essence and give it a good mix. And let it cool completely and then add Don't add the egg when the milk is still hot. Add the egg once it is completely cold or else the egg will turn into an omelette. Give it a good mix and it should be lump free. Then take a baking tray. You can use any mold of any shape. Pour all the milk and sugar mixture to it. At this point, the caramel smells so good. Now we have to bake this in a little water-filled tray. Bake at 180 for 20 minutes and let it cool completely and then refrigerate for at least 6 to 7 hours. Then take it out from the refrigerator. Whip it using an electric beater. Whip it till it becomes creamy and fluffy. Now keep it aside and let's move on to the next step. Take one large banana and cut it into pieces. No need to cut it into a very small piece, the medium size would be enough, and then top it up with some sugar. Then using a kitchen torch, caramelize the sugar. Don't burn it, just make it slightly golden in color. And your caramelized banana is ready, and that's it. Pour the caramelized banana over a pudding tray and mash it really well. Are you the person who doesn't like to eat banana as it is, but like to eat banana fritters, puddings, cakes, and many more? I am that person actually. Let me know in the comment section if you are like me. Then you will need 3 to 4 layers of a bread. Remove all the brown layer. We only need a white part of it. We don't need a brown part. Don't throw the brown parts away. You can use it to make a breadcrumbs or any other thing. Now cut the bread slices into mini squares. Don't cut it too thick or too thin. You should make it a perfect bite size. This pudding is so simple. It is made only with the ingredients which is readily available at home. No other fancy ingredient is required. Do give it a try and let me know how it turned out to be. Now to the mashed banana, add all the finely chopped bread to it and give it a really good mix. Now you have to top it up with the prepared caramel milk. You should pour it in such a way so that the banana and the bread gets completely soaked in milk. And then you can top it up with the chopped nuts. I'm adding almonds and cashews. You can add toppings of your own choice. And then I'm adding some choco chips over it because the chocolate and banana combination is of next level. Now refrigerate for at least 2 hours so that the bread completely soaks the milk, and then your easy banana pudding is